I have to shave my ear holes now, Fred. When you get to a certain age. I've teamed up with HomeServe to get Gen Z and their parents more confident when it comes to their home maintenance. Said Fred, I've still not even fixed our leaky tap. Got any ideas?
No clue.
Best ask the experts.
I'll get on that right now. Engineers here!
Hash, meet our leaky tap.
Okay, it seems like that your rubber washer inside the tap has worn out. So we just need to turn the water off and then we'll take the cartridge out of the tap.
Okay, great. Can Freddie help you with this?
Of course.
It's a first.
Okay, so let's get started then.
Let's do it.
That's it. Awesome. Okay, so I've just put the new washer on. Would you like to wind this back in?
Yes, I'd love to.
Fred, does this make you a plumber? Are you qualified now?
Really, I'm a full package, but now I know how to do things like this.
Freddie, the full package Brazier. Well done, Gen Z. For more information, visit homeserve.co.uk.